Welcome back. Let's take a look now at all the updates on COVID-19 outbreak from across the globe. As the global COVID-19 cases count surpasses 1 crore mark, United States recording a surge of infections. The country recording 43,121 new infections in just 24 hours, pushing country's total to over 2.5 million cases. America also recorded 502 deaths, and the US has now seen over 1,25,000 deaths due to COVID-19. The union representing 3,000 Disneyland hotel workers in California circled the closed park today in a caravan protest, urging Disney officials not to reopen without safety precautions. The union representative said Disneyland needs to conduct routine testing of employees, perhaps as often as once a week. The park, remember, attracts otherwise 21 million visitors a year and is the largest employer in Anaheim, California. European Union has decided to pledge $6 billion to help vulnerable countries devastated by the pandemic. Announcement was made during the summit Global Goal, Unite for Our Future. European Council President also said European Union must invest in producing vaccines at unprecedented speed and scale. From 6th of July, UK government's current no-holiday policy is set to be relaxed for visits to some countries where the risk is low of contracting the coronavirus. The British government says it will announce travel agreements with countries such as France, Greece and Spain. The move coincides with the start of the main holiday season in Europe. A group of LGBTQ activists took to the streets of central London on Saturday to celebrate 50th anniversary of the first gay parade march in the city. This year's huge gay pride event, which would have been attended by almost 1.5 million people, was cancelled because of the coronavirus pandemic, as were others all over the world. But activists said it was still important to mark the date with a limited number.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.